I am welding the sparkler. It's actually fire and it's gonna go set off a rocket ship.
It's another Chinese lantern system.
Hello, YouTube. Now be careful because arm's length.
Daddy, I got a really long one now. Daddy, I got a really long one now. Look.
Right, stay back a bit then.
Yeah, I seen it.
Yeah.
Hello, I am awesome.
Go and drop it up by the fireworks.
Do you think it's like a hot chocolate or anything?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
It's cold out here.
You want another one?
Where?
Raffy?
Oh, I will.
Raffy? You want another sparkler? You want another one?
Oh, Dad, can I have another one?
More? Yeah, there's one more each for you too.
Yeah, okay.
And that's it then.
Here you go.
Easy.
Dad.
Oh, no, where is it?
Oh, there. Can I hold it while you light it? Now we're doing the next one. Let's see you vote. Right. Right. Hi.
You can't
Wait.
see me.
Right, hi.
Hi.
No, write it on there with the sparkler.
Daddy, do you want me to show you how I write you
Hi.
a
How are you?
Daddy,
I
you
am
doing?
great. Hey, Ma.
hey.
It's my turn.
One
Woo!
for you, Maya, after that one.
Daddy.
Get rid of this one.
T. Lewis 5ZU at gmail.com is my email address. I don't mind you emailing me. No, I don't, Dad. Do you like this sparkler? So I just did a fireworks show a minute ago, but this is awesome.
You'll be certain. Very good, man.
Hey, Mark, keep out way.
Stay back a little bit. please.
Keep on doing it. Wow.
Very good, Maya.
Best ever.
You enjoy your fireworks?
Yeah.
You enjoy them, Maya?
Why?
Right, let me have it then.
Maya, let me see yours. No, not too close. Arm's length. Wow.
Near your face, Maya, arm's length. Okay. Otherwise it might get hot on your face.
Do high. Looking that way. No, do high.
HI. No.
Oops,
Okay.
ran out.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to have some nice hot chocolate. Nice to be in the wall now. The TV is off, so I am awesome. I'm just wearing the red. Look, it's Ruffy! Hello, Ruffy! Hello! Give me a hug! Maya sparkles! Maya sparkles! Now I'm going to spin it from top while I wait for my hot chocky. Ah! So you're not meant to let go? No. Look, Looks like I'm gonna have to do this Team T. Lewis way.
If you've got 10 windows and that, you still see fireworks or in.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'm
Star
not.
Wars out there.
Cleaning up a bit.
That's a cool code, mate.
Star Wars.
What?
Star Wars.
Star Wars, is it?
What?
Jacket. Cool.
Oh, right.
Guess what? My friend used to really love Star Wars series.
No. Why? Because you don't. Oh, chocolate. Now, do you want your fortune told? Here you go. You know, it's completely knocked out. My arm's here. Move this sparkles, move. Now, sorry. The hot chocolate's here. Whatever.
Oh wait for mine.
Okay.
Wow.
I'm gonna let's do a trick. Pretend I'm gonna trick her about hot chocolate being
Take
here.
the wellies off if you're staying in, please.
Okay, of course I'm staying in. Dumbo.
You're cheeky.
being,
Douglas, if you will.
being funny. Now. Maya, fireworks! No, I need hot chocolate! Maya's on the toilet! Maya's on the toilet! Maya's on the toilet! Maya's on the toilet!
Now let's go.
Ah, she's coming to get me! I'm waiting here. Wait, is that mine?
Yeah.
2 sugars. Isn't it?
Same.
2 sugars.
A biscuit as well, please?
Yes, please.
What?
A biscuit as well?
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Digestive, please.
Yes, me too.
Rather specific.
What happens if Kate ain't got no digestive?
I've got a hobnob.
Okay.
Some hot chocolate went up to my face and burnt me.
Oh, knobs.
Mom, some hot chocolate went up to my face and it burnt me.
Oh,
Wow.
no, be careful.
Do, do, do. Hey, what about me? Oh, thanks.
There's some golden crunches up there.
Everyone's good,
Hey, look.
What are you looking at? 5.